Hello, we are pleased to present the esteemed Amandha Vollmer, who will give us an amazing presentation titled The Sacred Wisdom of Nature, Healing with DMSO, Knowledge and Protocols. We're so excited to have you teach us about this wonderful way of restoring and preserving health.
Great to have this opportunity to share this powerful substance with all your viewers and all those who want to learn more about their bodies and the wisdom of nature. I'll be presenting science, protocols, and various applications for certain ailments in my presentation, and I will help the learner go through all the nuances that would help that individual become more confident in their use of DMSO, how to apply it properly with the correct percentages, and how to know how to use it for basically any ailment that they're presented with in their day-to-day lives. That it's hidden from our knowledge, from our public awareness. And I wanted to bring that more to the forefront, because when you have something that's affordable, easy enough to obtain, you can use it across all kinds of different ailments, then that means it has a lot of value to every individual and would be something to have in your medicine cabinet, but you just need to know how to use it properly. So there's an education factor that comes along with certain substances, and this was one of them. And I felt compelled to share the information, compelled that people would come away with an empowerment inside themselves, knowing that they could always go to this substance to deal with pain and inflammation and all kinds of concerns with their body, instead of panicking in fear and running to an inappropriate source for their support and their healing. So my passion became the book, became a lot of the teachings and the products, because I knew the power behind it, and that tree medicine is very, very supportive to the holism that we are. And I really just wanted to make it more popular and more in the meme of the world, so that it got the attention it deserves.